Hey viewers, and today we are doing another concept, and this is a startup which helps people easily share their vehicles or transport share. So this could be Uber. I focused this on cars, and I think on the other videos I haven't showed me going through the first bits, which is researching or finding images, and sometimes the idea is already in your head because Uber's quite a famous brand, so immediately I just wanted to look for images that could be suitable. A nice thing about Unsplash is you can build up, or you can create collections, so you can always go back to them, which I think is quite useful. So I'm just trying to find images that go along the lines of cars and sharing, but it's not easy to find the exact one. So again, yeah, this is day, can't remember what day it is now, day 5. And we're using Figma. So again, if you're a beginner or you just want to practice your design, then yeah, I'd highly recommend to get involved. It's 1 hour a day designing the hero section, and you can use ideas ai.net, I believe it is. So one thing I like to focus on this video is the typography. So typography, you could just say it's, or the copy, the words, it would make up most of the web. So it's pretty important to have copy or text that is readable or legible. So there's a framework that I tend to use, or it's been drilled in me, which is to always start with at least 16 pixels font size. The web has defaulted to 16 pixels because it's readable. Some websites now even go up to 18 pixels. Of course, it depends on the audience. But another thing with typography is to make the heading the biggest one, and really might make it bigger. So for example, it could be 48 pixels, 36 pixels, and in bold, so you're contrasting the heading with the rest of the text, so it's going to stand out. And it's on the left, as you can see there. And again, yeah, I'm just getting all the images. I'm thinking of 2 people. One thing I've noticed is on hero sections, you probably don't want to have too many elements on the page, which again is another challenge. So I've got maybe 3 main elements here, the car and then 2 people. And I think it's nice to put in testimonials with actual customers. If you have actual customers, it's good to show that. And again, this is sharing your car securely and safely. So maybe if we can say that there's a community, and if there is one, hopefully there is one, then it's good to put that in hero, just to give the user a bit of confidence that, oh, this is already growing. And then what I tend to do now is overlap elements. So you can see here, sometimes you can place them like really nicely, or another nice thing is to add some depth to the images. So that's why sometimes you'll see the sign up button is just over the image, so it kind of pops or stands out a bit. It's not perfectly aligned, it's just over the image. And then here I'm just making sure that the text is not pure black, and I think I'm trying to see if I can change the main image just to see how it looks, but I felt the dark wasn't too nice. I thought the blue was quite nice and contrasting with the white background. So I felt it went well, and here I'm just adding a bit of depth. This is just a bit of adding some elements to the page, which is repeating the shape of the main image. And then I believe here I'm just trying to experiment now with patterns, just seeing if I can add something else to it. But I guess that another challenge is, again, like I said at the beginning, try not to add too many elements. If you can do a lot with the least amount of elements, then I think that will be a really good way to go. And I had a typo on there as well when I actually shared it. I forgot to put your, so I left share you car. But that, that can happen within an hour. So again, I'm just adding some icons just to emphasize the quotes, thumbs up and a shield with a tick. I just placed it within or near the avatar, so I'm grouping it so it feels like, yeah, they belong to that person. And the icons is from Tailwind, or actually it's from heroicons.com. Really good because they have SVG format. So again, yeah, just right at the end there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'd appreciate a lot if you would leave a like, leave a comment, let me know how you're getting on. And my name is Roy. I forgot to introduce myself at the beginning. I'm a web designer, and have a good evening. Bye.